Hi, I'm Kristen Arnett, an international makeup artist and healthy beauty expert, here with my model April, and we're going to show you how to use the Hand Concealer, a vegan, cruelty-free, full coverage formula to even out skin tone, brighten up under the eyes, and conceal any blemishes. We'll begin by applying 3 to 4 dots right under the eye using the wand applicator. And the wand applicator is great because you can get on just as much as you want right in the specific spots that you want it in, and then use a concealer brush to blend out the rest. You might even want to put a little dot right into the corner of the eye just to brighten that area too. One of my favorite tricks as a makeup artist is to actually add a little dot of concealer right under the brow bone and to the top of the cheekbone, and just a touch in a little circle under the eye to add a little bit more lift. So concealer can actually help you contour? In a way, yeah, because you're adding lightness and lift to the same spots that you would also add an illuminator to. And then I like to go in with my finger and just do a final blending by pushing it directly into the skin. So just make sure that you're tapping the concealer into the skin rather than dragging it back and forth. This creamy formula incorporates skincare ingredients to help nourish and benefit skin, like castor oil, which has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which just could help with those pesky pimples. Plus, it's got green tea and shea butter, which are loaded with antioxidants that'll help protect your skin. And that is an amazing trio of ingredients to help soften, moisturize, and protect your skin.